Hello, it's Ruby and welcome back to another university vlogs. So I came back to Exeter yesterday and I am going to be uploading a few university vlogs over the next few days. My room is an absolute state. And so this morning I'm just going to get everything in order and tidy up, unpack, and also do a little bit of maybe rearranging. I think I'm actually going to move my desk back to where it was. I'm going to get ready first though. So of course I got dressed and then I made my bed because you cannot start a day without making your bed. And then I put on some upbeat, nostalgic music to listen to, basically loads of 70s songs, and I unpacked. So I had gone surfing the other day and my swimsuit and wetsuit was still a little bit damp, so I just hung these up to dry in the bathroom. And then made my way through my very messy suitcase. Because I had been in North Devon right before, my suitcase had got really messy and like unorganised because I've been rooting through it looking for things whilst I was there. Okay, that's all tidied up, which makes the room look a lot better. I also have some rubbish to take out from last time. I don't know why I didn't take this outside to the bins, so I need to go put that away and also put on a load of laundry. It's such a warm day. Then I put on a load of washing. Basically, I was just putting on some towels and hand towels and also our tea towels. And then I brought the Hoover up to my bedroom because it definitely needed a Hoover. And I also hoovered downstairs. Next, I disinfected my sink. It was a little bit grubby and it just needed a bit of a clean. And then I rearranged my room. So I wanted to move my desk from being by the window to back in its original position, which is by the wall, because I thought it would open up the space a bit more. And I couldn't get the position of the chair quite right. I tried a few different variations. I'm still not entirely sure with this. It's a bit of an awkward piece of furniture and I'd kind of rather not have it, but I think it looks okay in the corner with the blanket over the top. Oh, and then my fairy lights had fallen down and I just stuck these back up because it was really, really annoying and it made such a difference in the room. The room just looks so much better when the fairy lights are up. And I also put up this Tickle a Mockingbird poster which my English teacher got me when I left school. Okay, I've rearranged my room and I love the way it looks. I really like having my desk by a window, but actually having the window open, it just makes the room look bigger and the lighting in here is better. I think what I'm going to do is just rearrange this mood board above my desk so it's a little bit more aesthetic. It is really nice, like kind of looking at that. If I can make it more aesthetic, I think it will be perfect. Just wanted to quickly do an unboxing for you. Last time before I left Exeter, I got this and I didn't open it. I was going to open it when I got back. I like bought it in, it's a little shop down Gandy Street. It's this like crystal elephant and it's so cute. It was £10, which is a lot for a little ornament, but it's so pretty and I think it will go really nicely on my desk. Look at him. Beautiful matcha green colour. It was the only matcha one left, and look, there's like a tea light inside as well. He's a tea light holder, so I love this so much. Anyway, we're going in half an hour to go on a picnic, walk down to the quay, so I think I might just start editing yesterday's vlog, and I'm gonna have a snack as well, so I think I'm gonna have a serene bar. Blake introduced me to these and they're really, really good. I never had them when I was a kid. Apparently it's like a real staple that loads of people had in their lunch boxes, but I just never ever, I've never even seen them. It's a banana bread one. My skin is going to go so white when I put this on. It's a baby sun cream, and so if you remember from all of the sun creams you had when you were little, it properly makes your skin paper white. I really like this kind of sun cream because it's factor 50, it protects really well, and it's so sensitive, and I've got quite sensitive skin. The other one I like is the Glossier one, but I accidentally left that at home. Okay, it's now time to go and make a picnic because we're going to go down to the quay. I mainly edited this video. I've recorded the voiceover, I just need to add in the voiceover, and I will just do that this evening when I'm back. I also love how my room is looking. I think it looks so cool. So we packed up a picnic to take on the go and we walked down to the quay. It was a really nice walk and such a beautiful day, so sunny. There were so many people out. It was a Sunday and it was the bank holiday. We've got our sandwiches and our grapes and our sardines. And we just sat here and chatted for a couple of hours whilst eating our lunch, and then we walked down to the quay and we just kind of soaked up the sun and the atmosphere. It was a really nice atmosphere this day. There were just so many people out. And we spent about an hour browsing this antique shop. They had such an amazing collection of vintage postcards, like only 10 and 20p each. Then after that we got some ice cream. It was a vegan salted caramel ice cream and absolutely delicious. Okay, we are back now from going out. We had our picnic and we were going to go to the library, but we ended up going to the quay and walking around, and we went into an antique shop and I actually picked up a lot of things. I actually can't believe that I bought these as well. Like, it's very quite extra. The first thing I got is this little Victorian jar. It's a genuine antique Victorian jar and it was £3, and I wanted a little jar to put my toothbrush in because at the moment I'm using an old cardboard box and I just think this will look so nice. Then the next thing I got is this little paper bag which is filled with loads of postcards. I spent £2.25 to get all of these postcards, and they're all vintage ones and they were between 10 and 20p, but then this one I got was 65p, so they were so affordable and so much cheaper than normal postcards. So I'm going to use these to put it up above my desk and also send a few out to friends. And then finally, oh my gosh, this is such a random extravagant purchase, but I fell in love with these and I couldn't leave the shop without them. I just kept on going back to look at them. Okay, so this is the case. Like, it's beautiful. It's from 1890. It's an antique from France. Press the button in. These are antique French opera glasses. You can focus like this. Wait. Oh my gosh, I love them, and they're an absolute delight to hold. They are a little bit cracked, as you can see there, but it doesn't really matter. I mean, these are £22, which I think is actually amazing for what they are. Like, this is an 1890 genuine antique. I'm so happy I got these. I was really like thinking twice about buying them, but I don't regret buying them in the slightest, and I feel like I'm going to use this case for loads more as well. So in the evening, I just quickly finished editing yesterday's vlog. After that, we went downstairs and we made some sagaloo for dinner. And in the evening, Blakeney introduced me to The Queen's Gambit, which I have never watched before, and I absolutely love it. I can't believe it's taken me this long to watch, but yes, that's everything I did this day. I hope that you enjoyed watching, and I will see you tomorrow for another university vlog.